Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the 3 new ways or maybe a unique ways to promote your printed demand shop, and it's completely free ways. So free ways to promote your printed demand shop. So we're going to be talking about that. Let's get straight to the main part. Before we go good part, consider clicking the like button. And also guys, I have a bunch of the free resources, the free KDP interiors, the free patterns, free textures. The link are in the description box below. Or simply head over to globalcreative.com, go over to the freebie section and download all the freebies, and it contains a full commercial license so you can very well use them. And make sure to check it out each month because each month we have more new freebies. So the first free way is the Quora.com. If you don't know about the Quora is a website where people go to get their answers for their questions. You're going to type your question and we're going to post your question in the Quora, and the people will going to reply you based on their experience and knowledge. And yeah, so people go onto that website to get their questions answered. So that's an awesome platform which you can utilize it. Now there are so many different questions and various different niches people ask about. So what you can do if you have a printed demand shop on a Redbubble related to any specific niche or a category, you can very well go onto the Quora and type for that particular niche or category or topic and check for all the questions that are there for that particular niche or category, and one by one you can answer all these questions depending on your expertise and knowledge. If you know the answer of that question, then only answer that. Don't just answer anything out of that. No guys, if you know the answer, then only answer them and answer that question. And maybe not just a one-word answer, yes or no's, or like 2-sentence answer. No, you can reply to an answer and then you can provide the link of your shop in that answer as well. If you go onto the Quora, you're going to see there are the few questions in which the people have answered it more elaborate, more detailed, and then later on they are providing the link of their blog article or their affiliate link or even their own products in that answer. So you need to provide value first, and then you are putting your link into that question's answer. You don't need to spam it. Don't just go onto the Quora and spam your Redbubble shop link so that people can click on that and purchase. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to go for your specific niche and topic for which the people are asking the questions, and then you need to see that whether you can answer those questions or not. If you can answer them, then they very well go for it and type the answers and then provide the link of your shop in the answers, and very well go with that. So it's an awesome free way. Of course, you need to do a little bit more hard work because you need to answer those questions, but it's an amazing way to get more leads for your shop and thereby getting more conversions and more views. Because question answered onto the Quora, the people have the upvotes or people have the views, and depending on that, your answers will be viewed to the many more people, and also people engage with the answers. So it's kind of like a social media platform, you can say, but people go on just for getting their questions answered. And now talking about the second way in which you can get the more leads and more conversions and for your Redbubble shop is social media forums, or you can say as the online forums. Now there are so many online forums related to any niche and topic. So guys, you can go into the online and search for the different forums, different types of online communities. It could be a Facebook community, but it could be in general any specific community or a social media forums, or in general any online forums related to your niche and topic. And people are asking so many questions in these forums. And you can answer these questions if you know the answer and can provide more value, and thereby linking your shop in that question answer. It's an awesome way. Like if you literally go into the Etsy forums, there are so many people who are asking many questions. It's an artist or a designer asking the question, or even the customer who are purchasing onto the Etsy, they're also typing the questions in the Etsy forum. So you can check out the different kinds of social media forums or different online forums for getting your question answered, and each and every community or a niche have their own specific forum on the online space. You just need to do your research a little bit to check it out, the different kinds of forums and related to your niche and topic, and what you can answer them, how you can provide value to the people, and thereby getting more leads, more conversions, more views on your shop. It's also free, but these ways you need to really work upon. Like you really need to give some amount of time. If you're doing it on a consistent basis, maybe in a day, at least give 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes in a day, and just do this work to get the more conversions and more leads, and these people will really going to land on your shop. Like if you are really providing the answers to this question and you're really helping these people, they will eventually going to check out your shop as well, because you are helping people. And if people see the value in your answer, if they see that you're really helping them, then they are more likely to check your shop and more likely to purchase from you. So this is the doing a little bit of the research and doing a little bit of the more hard work, but it will really going to pay you off, because if you are offering so much value to the people. The third way to promote your shop completely for free is reddit.com. Yes, Reddit is an awesome website. People go onto the Reddit and type the different questions, different reviews, the product reviews, or different doubts, different codes, different memes. People go onto the Reddit and do all those stuffs. Like if you go into the reddit.com, you're gonna see it's kind of like a social media platform, but people go on there and like check their product reviews, write the product reviews, or ask any questions, any doubts related to any specific niche and category. You can go over there and you can more provide. One thing I'm going to tell you guys, in all these three methods, if you are just going for the sake of getting views or sales for your Redbubble shop, and that's only your first intention, then you might not be getting the sales. Why? Because you're only focusing on getting the sales. You're not focusing on providing value to the people. And on these sides, the people are really more intelligent. They get to know you, whether you are promoting your products, you're promoting your links, or you're actually helping them. So if you have a noble cause of helping the people and then putting your link, then they're going to see that you are there to help them, and then you're providing your product link. That's fine with them. They're going to click on that. But if you are just like putting the one-line answer or two-line answer and then providing the link of your product or link of your shop, then they will going to have in their mind that this person only came onto this platform to promote their products. They are not here to help me. They are not here to answer my question. So that won't be leading to the conversions, guys. So make sure you're providing value, because people go onto these platforms, these forums, onto the Reddit or even onto the Quora to get the questions answered, to see the product reviews, to see the latest stuff which they are related in. And these are really very target audience, guys. These are really very target audience, because if you're promoting onto the Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook and all those, there people kind of like are not that much targeted. But here the people are very targeted because they are looking for the questions answered. So that means these questions are their pain points, and if you are answering them, you are helping them, you're really helping them, then they would be really grateful for that, and it's more likely to convert that ideal customer into the sales, or ideal customer into the leads, and thereby getting the sales, because these are the ideal customer. So this is an amazing strategy. Reddit is great for that, but make sure you use Reddit smartly, because people go into the Reddit to check the product reviews, to talk to other people like related to niche and topic, to answer the questions or maybe get the questions answered. So make sure you use it in that way, because if you are here on these platforms just to spamming it, then you won't be getting that many click sales, or you won't even be getting any click or sales, because nobody gonna click on your link. Like people don't go here to click on the link, they just go to get their questions answered. So whichever platform you are using to promote your products, make sure you use that platform according to their needs. Like what that platform is all about, why people come on that platform, like what is the mindset of the people who are coming onto that platform, who are using that platform. Keep that thing in mind. It will really going to help you a lot, because if you're going into the Instagram and doing something else which is not related to the Instagram, then obviously you won't be getting that many views and engagement and all. So every platform has the unique individuality, and people go on that platform to get something out of it. It could be an entertainment, it could be the questions answered, it could be the pain points, product reviews, whatever it is. You need to use these platforms in a very smart way, providing value in the upfront and then expecting the sales. So that is the 3 ways. I hope you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if you want more such videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also guys, I have the bunch of the free resources beneath the free video tutorials in the card section above, here or there. You can check it out for you, for getting set yourself for your print-on-demand journey of money online as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Are you promoting in this way or not? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much. See you for the next time. Take care.